Today we're making kofta, and there are a lot of different ways to make kofta in the Egyptian cuisine. We are making shish kofta, which is the kofta that we are gonna cook on the grill. There are also kofta that you can cook in sauce, and we're gonna see these in future shows. So first thing is to start by marinating our beef. We're making the kofta mix with 2 pounds of ground beef, and this is not lean beef, it's 85% lean, 15% fat. An onion, we minced it and removed as much of the liquid as we could. Half a tablespoon of salt, half a tablespoon of black pepper, and a tablespoon of mixed spice, allspice, or if you have the mixed seven spices. Half a cup of minced parsley, green parsley. We are going to mix all that together with our beef and then let it sit for a few hours to marinate. And this is going to be the marinade and also the mixture for kofta. We have the kofta mix ready. Now we're going to start putting it on the skewer. We continue to put our kofta mix on the skewer, and we try to apply enough pressure for the kofta to be nice and uniformly placed around the skewer without creating fat spots and skinny spots in the skewer. We try to be uniform so all the kofta cooks at the same time and not have parts that are overcooked and parts that are undercooked. So we continue to do that until we get all the meat we have on skewers ready to go on the grill. Now we are done with the last skewer, and all our kofta are on skewers ready to go on the grill. The grill is preheated to 375 degrees, and these koftas are gonna go in there for about half an hour until internal temperature reaches 160 degrees. It took about 45 minutes for the meat to reach internal temperature of 160 degrees to make sure that the meat is cooked all the way through. And we can garnish with the parsley, and bon appetit!